Hello everyone. So it's easy to remember history of India like this. We can say chronology of ancient history of India to modern history of India. So as we see Indian history has divided in three categories. First one, ancient India, which is related to very past moments, and medieval India, and third one is modern India. So ancient India, prehistoric to 700 AD. So first we are going to see ancient India. In ancient India, it has started. The first inhabitants of Indian subcontinents might have been tribal like. As we see in ancient India, many tribals were there, and they have to live in forest areas and bank of rivers. So like that, in ancient India, the famous tribe tribes, first one is Nagas. Nagas were in northeast, Santhalas in east India, Bhils in central India, Gonds in central India, Todas in South India. So, in easy way, we can remember NSBGT. NSBGT. Nagas, Santhalas, Bhils, Gonds, and Todas. So, this is the very important thing to remember. The tribes, not tribal people, and tribes Nagas, Santhals, Bhils, Gonds, and Todas. In ancient India, we should remember at least these names to remember uh, to know the things what happened and which tribes were there in ancient India. Ancient India has divided in many periods like Paleolithic period. It was 2 million uh, years ago, we can say 10,000 BC. Important Paleolithic sites are located in Kaladgi Basin, Bhimbetka, Hunsgi, Karnol, Caves, Narmada Valley, Karnol Caves, Narmada Valley. And in this period, people came to know how to use the things, and a tool made up of limestone fire was discovered. Means important thing was happened in Paleolithic period, that was fire was discovered in Paleolithic period. Second period, Mesolithic period, from 10,000 BC to 8,000 BC, means before Christ. Microliths were found at Brahmagiri, Narmada, and Gujarat. Domestication of animals and cattle rearing were started in this period. Significant climate change happened. So here three main important things were happened: domestication of animals, cattle rearing, and climate changing was also happened. Microliths were found at Brahmagiri. Third one is Neolithic period, from 8000 BC to 2000 BC. In this period, wheel discovered and agriculture was started in this period. Means before Neolithic period, there was very rare things. We can't find agriculture and wheel like that. But in Neolithic period, we can see wheel was discovered and agriculture was also started in this period. Inamgaon is an early Neolithic village. The first place where the agriculture was started, we can say Inamgaon is an early Neolithic village. The major megalithic sites are Brahmagiri and Adi Chanalur, important sites of Neolithic. Here the some important sites were there. We can find what happened in Neolithic period. Those are, first one is Hallur, which is located in Andhra Pradesh, Maghara, Uttar Pradesh, Maski, Mehergarh in now it is in Pakistan. And also many other places were there. So you should remember these important places where we can find the things which were happened in Neolithic period. After Neolithic period, we can see Indus Valley civilization from 2700 BC to 1900. This was established around 33,000 3300 BC, disappeared around 1400 BC. Next, Catholic Catholic period from 4000 BC to 1500 BC, means it has started from uh, before Indus Valley civilization, we can say. It was also known as the Copper Age and considered part of the Bronze Age. Catholic period is also known as Copper Age. Next age will come Iron Age. Iron Age from 1500 BC to 200 BC. In this Iron Age, Vedic period and arrival of Aryans, basic books of Hinduism, Vedas were composed in this period. In Iron Age, we can say Vedic period was started and Hinduism books were written, Vedas composed in this period. Rise of Jainism and Buddhism, Mahajanapadas, Magadha Empire was also started. Bimbisara of Haryanka Kula, then Shishunaga dynasty, Kolaska, then Nanda Empire, Mahapadma, Nandadhana Nanda, then Persian Greek arrival, Alexander came in this period. So these are the important things happened in Iron Age. This part is very important in Indian history also because of Vedas and rise of Jainism and Buddhism. Next, Mahajanapadas, Magadha Empire, like that. So you can first see all these things step by step, then only we can remember easily. So we will continue in next period after Iron Age, which period will come or which dynasty will come. Thank you.